Today, we are thrilled to share with you a delightful and flavorful dish from South India, tomato rice, also known as Thakkali Sadam. This one pot dish is not only delicious but also quick and easy to prepare. Begin by rinsing basmati rice under running water until the water runs clear. Then soak it in water for 20 minutes. Heat the ghee or vegetable oil in a large pan over medium heat. Temper the oil with a piece of cinnamon, few green cardamoms, a few pieces of cloves, mustard seeds, and tiny bit of methi seeds. Saute the spices until they become fragrant. This combination of spices infuses the oil with rich aroma that forms the base of our dish. Add the chopped onions to the pan and saute them until they are translucent. Once your onions are done, incorporate ginger paste, garlic paste, green chilies for the heat, some chopped mint leaves, and some chopped coriander leaves. Cook this mixture for a couple of minutes until the raw smell of the ginger and garlic disappears and you have a beautiful aroma. Now, introduce the chopped tomatoes to the pan along with some spices starting with turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, some Kashmiri chili powder for the color. Mix everything thoroughly. Cook this mixture until the tomatoes break down and the oil starts to separate from the masala, indicating that the spices are well cooked and the flavors have melded together. Add the drained basmati rice to the pan, gently mixing it with the tomato masala to ensure each grain is coated with the flavorful mixture. Then pour it 2 cups of water and give it a gentle stir to combine all the ingredients. Finally, add salt to taste and some sugar to balance the flavors. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat. Once it starts boiling, reduce to low and simmer for 15 minutes. Once the rice is cooked, let it rest for 5 minutes to firm up the rice slightly and then garnish with chopped coriander leaves. There you have it, tomato rice that pairs wonderfully well with a side of raita, plain yogurt or crispy papad. It's a versatile dish that's perfect for lunch boxes, quick dinners or as a delightful addition to your festive spread. Thank you for watching and until next time, happy cooking!